Hello, grade 7 students. Welcome to our online English class. We are going to learn about parts of the letter. These are the parts of the letter. The heading, the greeting, the body, the closing, the signature. Let's learn where the parts of the letter are properly placed. At the top right corner, you'll write the heading. At the left side, just below the heading, you will write the greeting. At the center, you will write the body of the letter. Then, at the right side, just below the body, you will write the closing. And below the closing is your signature. The heading. The heading can include your address and date. The greeting. This usually begins with Dear blank. The blank is for the name of person you are writing. After you write the person's name, you put a comma. The body. The body of the letter is the information you are writing in your letter. The closing. In the closing, the first word is capitalized and you put a comma after the last word. The signature. This is your name. It goes under the closing. These are types of letter. First is formal letter. Formal letter is a letter which is written for official purpose. It is usually given to a teacher, to a manager, to a director, and to a company. Next is informal letter. Informal letter is a letter which is written for a personal purpose. It is usually given to a friend, a family member, or relatives. This is the example of informal letter. This is the example of formal letter. Please answer the questions. Number 1. What are the parts of the letter? Number 2. What are the types of the letter? Thank you very much. Have a nice day.